Today's theme populations. Bugungi taqrib populyatsiya. Plan of the lecture. Darsning taqrib jo'shqari. The concept of population. Populyatsiya turali konsepsiya. Statistical characteristics of the population. The number and the break density and population biomass, age, and the sex composition. Statistikalik sifatlama populyatsiyaning onun sani nemesi tig'izlig'i, populyatsiyaning biomassasi, jasi, және jinsi qurulma. The dynamic characteristics of the population. Birth rate, growth rate, mortality. Bu populyatsiyaning dinamikalik sifatlamasi. Tug'ulu, ularning o'shuvi, ularning o'luvi. Cellular curves, exponential growth, biotic potential. Ular qalay umr surishga chidamliligi, so'ning qisig'i, eksponensiallik o'suvi, және biotikalik potensiali. Regulation of populations. Bu populyatsiyani boshqaruv. All living organisms exist only in the form of populations. Population is a set of individuals of one species inhabiting a certain space, inside of which the one or another degree of exchange of genetic information in the break panmixia. The population of the characterized by the following basic properties. Population is a form of existence of the species. Integrity in the bracket territorial community, genotypic and phenotypic community. Heterogeneity of individuals in the population. Self-regulation. Each population has a certain structure. Age, in the bracket the ratio of individuals of different ages. Sexual, in the bracket sex ratio. Special, in the bracket colony, families, flock, etc. The number of a species expressed a certain number of individuals. Population may be more or less numerous. In some species, there are presented dozens of exemplars, other tens of thousands. Population of bacteria or protozoa in the activated sludge aeration tanks are made up of billions of individuals. The age structure of the population, a certain ratio of age groups and the generation population in the bracket generation individuals born in different seasons. Age individuals can be divided into stages. Before reproductive, in the bracket virgin. Reproductive, in the bracket generative. Post-reproductive, in the bracket senile. In plants, seeding, juvenile, immature, Virginia, young generative, middle generative, generative old, substantial, senile, dying. Distinguish also latent period in the bracket seeds. Homeostasis is a dynamic equilibrium process occurring in organisms, populations, ecological communities, ecosystem. As the key of maintaining the stability of ecological systems are mechanisms of population homeostasis. They can be divided into three functional categories: maintenance of adaptive spatial structure of the population, maintenance of genetic structure, regulation of population density. By the demographics of the population are the rate of sexual reproduction, fecundity of individuals, speed in the weathering away of the life expectancy in the population, total population in the bracket total biomass land. If low immigration and the immigration birth rate exceeds the death rate, the population will grow. Population growth is a continuous process if it exists all age groups. Density, the number of population per unit of space of occupants or the average number of species per unit area of volume. The population density of moons is the other large one group determined by the number of individuals falling to 10,000 hectares. The population is related to soil invertebrate square meters. Density, species-specific indicator. For each species, there is an optimum density limits of its populations. Variation on the volume density of each population depends on the environmental state of the entire system, i.e. by surrounding the entire complex biotic and abiotic factors. Death rate, numerical expression, ability of the population to increase is called death. This ability depends on many factors. The number of families in the population, the number of nature individuals, fecundity number of generations per year, breeding condition, and others. If there is a population of 500 reproductive individuals and within 10 days of such 50 newborn, the birth rate will be 5, or based on the single specimen 0.01. Some types of population dynamic, a G-shaped curve of exponential growth you see on the slide. B, C-shaped logistic curve. C, exponential growth and a similar decline in the number N and K. The lower and upper limits of the possible number of. Thank you for attention. Кейін сағат 10-да кіресіңдер, естіп жатсыңдар ма?